actually a Friday, and I'm planning to shoot the next couple of days for you all so that you guys can see how I am spending my days now. Now that I'm done with my DT lectures, how I am trying to balance my DT revisions and along with doing IDT. So I just thought that I will start showing you all this. And since it's the start of a new month, I also want to do a couple of other things as well, like reset for a new month. Now I am just studying actually, and I'm taking a lecture. I have my drink for the night. This is the Red Bull's Pink Edition and it tastes really yummy. I will show you guys myself resetting, and I'm also going out tomorrow. So I thought it would be just like fun for you all to see how I try to balance my studies while I also do other things apart from like content creation and stuff like that. Also, I do have to create like a branded content tomorrow. Now let's just get into the video because I do want to actually study right now and not gap. Yeah, I just have all the stuff that I would need right here. I'm just gonna lock in. Hi cuties, what's up? Today is actually a Saturday and I'm just getting ready to go out. Guys, मैंने रात को plan करा था कि I will wake up early today so that I can compensate for the time that I will be spending outside today. Literally slept very late, तो वो नहीं हो रहा है अभी, and even though I have been awake since 8:30ish in the morning, but कुछ ना कुछ कर ही रही थी मैं. I don't know if you can relate to this or not, but sometimes I feel very guilty for going out doing things that I actually enjoy because then I feel like I am betraying my studies for some reason. But what I am really trying to change my mindset about is that is so not true, because what do you mean I can't live my life and I have to wait for an exam to get over and after that I will live my life? Because at the end of the day we only have right now. Like, this is the only instance that we really have. So what are we really waiting for? I mean, I am not telling you to stop studying or to just be out and do everything and anything other than studying. I am not telling you that. But what I am telling you, and also myself, is that we need to maybe take a pause and really think like, what do we really want? And if the sort of life that we want comes from just studying. Because I feel like if you're watching this video, then you are also struggling balancing your studies with everything else. So, what I suggest myself also is to just take it one day at a time. Work hard, do your studying, do your lectures, do your preparations, but at the same time, maybe take out a couple of hours out of your day to do things that you actually enjoy and things that make your life worth living. So, yeah, that's something that I wanted to talk to you all about. And this particular day, I went out after such a long time because I always really feel guilty whenever I go out, and I do try to like not go out that much, but sometimes I just want to hang out and do other things and just take a break from studying for at least a day. So this day was all about that. I went out, it was a Saturday, and we went and had my favorite sushi at my favorite place, and then we explored two bookstores and they were super fun. I was literally in one of them for like an hour and just exploring books, checking out what all the collection that they had and picking out a book that I wanted to buy. Also, sometimes I feel like going to places like Khan Market really changes you, because then you see what other people have and it sort of motivates you and inspires you instead of making you jealous, because pretty much all of them are way older than you, and it just motivates you to do things in your life and to make a life for yourself wherein you will be going to these places in things like that, like in a BMW or like anything like that. Even materialistic things can be very motivating, and for me they really are, because I want a certain lifestyle for myself, and just going to these places really motivates me to work hard, to just study very hard and to like get these things in life. So yeah, this day was all about that, and I did not do anything much on this particular day because I just wanted to like take a break. guys, my books are pretty old of DirectX, so I had to get new ones because there are so many new questions. And I also had a conversation with sir, and he also recommended that I get the new books only. AIR1 Institute people don't really cover you when it comes to updated questions or amendments, which I was kind of bummed about, but it is what they do, so I couldn't really fight with them about it. And he just recommended that I should get the new books and I can do the revisions and stuff like that from their YouTube lectures because they are pretty new. So I was like, you know what, let me just get these because this is sort of an investment into my future. It's kind of a bummer कि मेरे को दो books में बार बार इधर उधर जाना पड़ेगा, but it is what it is, can't do anything about it. तो बस after that I ended up just spending some time to DIY a lace thingy on my journal. So this is what I did. I have a few things that I want to show you all, so let's do a haul. I went to Miniso in my last video and I did not show you guys what I got. I'll also show you all that. Now let's see what all I got. I have some stuff from Amazon. I think I'm shopping way too much from Amazon and I need to stop. I have recently become very obsessed with pens and I was just waiting to like sit down and shoot this video for you all. So I got two brown pens. So these are the two pens that I got. They are both brown in color. Then from Miniso I got this set of clutchers like hair clips, and it was for 200 rupees. Like I got all four of them for 200, which I think is like a really nice price, and they're like pretty sturdy, so I like that as well. And I want you to pause this video and go and comment what you think might be inside this. I'll wait. Oh, it's nice. I got a lip gloss from Revolution. This is what it looks like. Let's just open it. I think it's pretty buildable, but this is what it looks like. I think I like it. So yeah, I got this lip gloss from Revolution. It's giving like a cooling sensation. I don't know if that's a good thing. I have two more things actually. So let's see like the nicer one first. I got a journal from Miniso. This is how it looks like. I think it looks really pretty, and this heart button literally sold it to me. Also, the fact that this is like a binder and you can just like switch the journals from inside and pick and just like put your own. I really like that. So this is what it looks like. I think it's really pretty and I'm very excited to use it. So this is how you open it, and then you get two journals. One is this one. This has like grid pages, and then this is the other one. It's lined. So this is how it looks like. I think it's really pretty, and it was for 400 rupees. I transfer stuff from this to this because ये काफ़ी ज़्यादा गंदी हो चुकी है, as you guys can see, and ये मैंने खुद डिज़ाइन करी थी. Like I have done everything on it myself. This is like a pendant. Like I got it out of a pendant of mine, and then ये मैंने पूरी की पूरी खुद बनाई थी. So yeah, I did all of this cutting and stuff खुद, but ये बहुत ज़्यादा गंदी हो गया and I don't like how it looks, and I literally plan my stuff here, so it matters so much to me that it has to be like nice and clean. So yeah, I'm just gonna take off everything from this journal and put it in this one so that I can start using this one. And I will maybe like wash the cloth or like reapply everything. I don't know, I'm not quite sure about that yet. But I'm really planning to like start using this one and I'm very excited about it. Also, you guys, I can do like a journal haul or like my journaling ecosystem for you all. So you guys can let me know if you would be interested in watching a video on that. I would love to make it. So yeah, that's it. I will talk to you all later now. Beautiful besties is Monday, June 22nd. You're starting the off this week. Am I editing the pop-up video or next on Thursday? Also, my the camera budget so somehow normally this just starts, but that will probably come Thursday. In this space here, beautiful. I'm going to pull up the healer base here. Yes, I've just taken a shower and I'm trying to shoot a branded video right now. So I am shooting for Matrix right now. This is their shampoo and conditioner. It is not sponsored by them, but I'm just shooting for them. So I thought I will take you along with me on this process. So I washed my head using these products and now I just need to like make a video of me just like showing them and stuff like that. But I can't show it in this because they want me to do like a pop of color which has to be similar to their brand colors. So like an orange top. So let me just show you guys what I'm gonna wear right now. So you guys, this is the top that I'm thinking of wearing. This is also like a tank top only, and the brand colors does have a little bit of blue in it. So I'm thinking of layering this on top of the one that I'm currently wearing. So let me just try that on and see how it actually looks like, and then I can decide if I want to wear this or not. You guys, blue was not looking good inside it, so I'm just gonna wear this and I'm just gonna shoot for the brand and I will talk to you all after that. So you guys, once I was done with the content that I was shooting, I ended up just studying and I literally did like a 3 hour study sesh because that is what was needed at this point. क्योंकि सुबह मैंने पढ़ा था, like I did a lecture in the morning as well and then उसको revise कर रहा था, but I still felt like कि मैं कुछ और भी कर रही हूँ तो might as well study a little bit more harder. तो मैंने बस DT की revision start कर दी है अब and that's what I'm doing along with my IDT lectures and I'm aiming for like 9ish hours per day. Hi cuties, it's almost 11 p.m. right now and I am back in my room. I had dinner and then I was just hanging out with my family. I also got like a photo done for something voter card related. I don't know what it was for, but I did my makeup for that because I wanted to look pretty in a government picture for once. So I did that and that is all done now. तो बस अभी मैंने मेकअप कर रखा है and I don't feel like taking it off. And I thought I will just yap with you all for a bit before I actually start studying again. अभी मैं second lecture लेने वाली हूँ IDT का क्योंकि आई एम प्लानिंग टू टेक 2 lectures in a day of IDT ताकि मैं इस मंथ में ही कंप्लीट कर दूँ सब्जेक्ट को and that is literally one of my biggest goals for this month alongside revising and giving a test of DT and FR as well. तो देखते हैं कैसे चलता है सब. बट या आज मैंने DT में कैपिटल गेन्स वाला चैप्टर करा है. अभी पूरा नहीं हुआ है, काफ़ी कम ही हुआ है, बट अभी मैं देखती हूँ अभी मे बी आफ्टर वॉचिंग द लेक्चर विच इज़ एक्चुअली ऑफ 3 hours इफ़ आई विल हैव द एनर्जी फॉर रिवाइजिंग देन आई विल डू दैट अगेन. अदरवाइज़ कल मेरे को वो वाला चैप्टर पूरा रिवाइज करके कंप्लीट करना है. ऑल्सो मैं सोच रही थी कि ये वाली वीडियो जो होने वाली है दिस विल लाइक आई विल मेक अनदर अ वीक इन माई लाइफ सॉर्ट ऑफ अ वीडियो, बट ये वाली वीडियो बहुत ज़्यादा लंबी हो चुकी है ऑलरेडी एंड आई डोंट थिंक कि इतनी ज़्यादा लंबी वीडियो यू गाइस वुड वांट टू वॉच, तो मैं बस आज का ही मतलब आज की रात तक ही शूट करने वाली हूँ, एंड कल आई विल नॉट बी शूटिंग फॉर यूट्यूब। मेरे को प्लीज़ कमेंट में एक बार बता देना कि इफ़ यू गाइस वांट शॉर्टर वीडियोस और लॉन्गर वीडियोस, ताकि I make something that you guys actually want to watch. Also, I want to say thank you so much for all the love that you guys are giving me on my last video. I feel कि जो रिजल्ट रिलेटेड वीडियोस होते हैं उन पे हमेशा व्यूज़ आ जाते हैं, क्योंकि people are just nosy like that and it is all right, but people are watching the video that I am posting after that means so much, क्योंकि you guys are genuinely interested in my journey of becoming a CA, and I appreciate that so much. Fact that you guys are liking these videos that I am making, like I have literally been making content for such a long time, and I've always just done it as like documenting my life, because I just want to be able to see my life when I'm old. But I am very happy and grateful that you guys are also liking them, because then it becomes like a two-way street, and I just like that more. Then I get very excited and giggly whenever you guys comment on my videos, because then I go and I reply to all of you, and it means so much to me. And yeah, I am just very grateful that you guys are liking my channel and my videos, all of that stuff. So बस I'm gonna get back onto my studies now, because आज मैंने content भी shoot करा है, then I was also shooting for a brand, and मैंने वो वाली video भी post कर दिया. If you guys are interested, you can go and check that out on my Instagram. And yeah, बस subscribe कर देना if you haven't already. And I get very shy asking you all to subscribe, but